What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Shrek, and I know it's been a while, guys. I'm sorry, I've been lagging it on the videos, but I'm going to start trying to be more consistent again. I keep saying that, and I know I keep lying, but we're gonna try to do what we can. So today we have a vehicle from, well, a Cascadia, of course, specialized in Cascadias now. A Cascadia that, let me show you guys. The customer puts the turn signal up, and when it comes back, it doesn't cancel itself out. So we're gonna go ahead and try to fix that issue right now. What I originally think it is just the stock. It doesn't cancel itself out. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and remove all the plastics. It is 2 bolts on top, and then we have about 4 on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. Let me see what size it is, and I'll get back to you guys. So it's a Torx 30 to remove the 4 bolts on the bottom cover, bottom plastic, and the 2 on top. Now, to remove the stock, it's the same. It's 1 on this side and 1 on this side, and they are also Torx 30s. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those 2 bolts, and then it has a green clip on the bottom. Let me see. Well, if it wants to cooperate, there we go. And you just replace it with the other stock on there. Let me go ahead and remove it. All right, guys, so this is the old stock, turn signal stock, and this is the replacement. So as you can see, the replacement has, this is to cancel it. This is what cancels out the turn signal. This one doesn't have it. Easy fix, just replace it with the replacement stock. No big deal. We will put this one back in reverse, 2 bolts, clip, and test it out, see if it works. All right, guys, so we went ahead and installed the new stock. Let's see. And there it is. That is how you replace a stock that won't cancel itself. Just replace the stock. That's usually what it is. Your turn signal stock, go ahead and replace it. And that's gonna be it for this video, a short one. So now we'll just go ahead and put the plastics back on. Top one, 2 bolts. Bottom one, 4 bolts. And that should be it, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave some comments. That's right. We'll try to keep up with the videos. Till next time, if you're out on the road, be safe. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family, and we're out.